Hi, Sam Manor from Little Child Restraints. I'm here with Mia. This is her first child. It is your first child,
It
isn't it?
is, yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the capsule. So come over and come closer so you can see exactly what we're doing. So the three things I want you to do when you're using your car seat. Always release the harness, readjust the harness, and watch the shoulder heights. And what does that look like? Well, simple. Press the button here, release it off the child's body. Press, hold the clip, slide the clip. That'll prevent the twisting, making it easy to get their arms out, and just tuck it into the sides. By holding the clip, you'll prevent the twisting. Look how easy that is to take it off the arms of the child. Because you're forced to release it, okay, you have to readjust it. And the reason for that, one, they're constantly growing. Two, they're wearing different clothes from morning to evening. And three, it creates a habit with you of getting it right. So this is what it looks like. Come back over, push it in, roll it over, lock it in. Now deal with the hip area. Make sure this strap and the baby's pushed in nice and deep in there. Make sure that strap's over the hip, not over the shins or over the thighs. Make sure it's nice and firm, brings the slack up, and makes it super easy to adjust. Now, as I'm adjusting, I'm watching the straps to make sure they don't roll below the shoulders. In other words, they're not looking like this. This will cause spinal compression. So all you gotta do is lift a little lever in the back of the seat up here. There's a little lever in here, like a little spring load, and it allows you to adjust the heights, okay? Keep the straps level above the shoulders. Now what's important, that marker there is telling you when they outgrow the seat. Once their shoulders reach that, could be between 6 and 12 months. Once they reach that, then you move it to the next seat, which could be another convertible seat, which could be a graphene EA, graphene by Safe and Sound, okay? Padding comes out after 3 or 4 months. That way the child will sit deeper and they're protected more by the car seat. So once you've achieved all that, by locking that on there, tighten up on the child, you're ready now to put this in the car. So come over, let's go. Okay, well, I'm going to show you how to actually install the actual capsule into the base here. And this is your base here. You'll notice here where the hooks are. And on the base of your seat there's the bar, the two rods there. And they're going to go into this position here. So you'll hear it lock. Yeah, lock this, locked in. Now, the key to this on the back of the seat here, so bring the camera around here. As far as, follow my hands, keep following my hands. Underneath there's a little flap there. So and you can see it going red or green. Green means it's locked in. When I lift the flap up, it'll go red. And I've got to pull that out. So did you get the camera right next? You can see that. Lift, pull out, that disengage it to allow you to lift it. So as it locks back in, so it's red means it's open. When I put it in, green means it's locked in. And all you got to do is grab this here, hook it on. Now for the husband, do not over tension this, okay? That was too tight. Friendly tug. So grab it from behind the seat and pull towards the back of the vehicle. Just a friendly tug is all you're required. Now have a look at that little buckle there. Just put your finger over the top, squeeze the top of it. Say squeeze to pull forward, to hold it up, nail up against the loop there, squeeze and roll it off. And then lift the flap up, squeeze, pull it out, and out comes the baby. And that's how you successfully use the capsule. I'm Sam, and we'll catch you on all the videos.